Hey folks, today we're talking about the new book, How to Not Give a Fuck in 10 Easy Steps. Let's see here. Doing some homemade videos. I thought it would be cool to do this just after sunrise. Apparently the lighting's a little weird, but I think you can see my face. So today let's talk about Chapter 3, Surrender. This is a tough one for some people. But if you can at least consider the possibility that there might be some type of higher power in this world, in this universe. Some people call it God or the universe or source. Imagine there's something, an organizing force that creates life. And imagine if you could surrender to that. Surrender to the present moment. Surrender to the natural flow of life. And see how that can help you learn to not give a fuck. Instead of trying to control things and resist things as they are, just surrender to what is, to the present, to a higher power, and see if that makes you feel more light and more free. And then pick up a copy of the new book and check out all the ways that you can learn how to not give a fuck. So thanks for watching and have a nice day. And bye now.